Hey traders, this is Shogun Chat 247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. We're going to be looking at the Euro US dollar. I want to analyze this pair from the weekly, daily, up to the 1 hour chart so that we can have the long term view and also the medium to short term view of what the price is doing. Okay, as you can see, nothing much to say about the weekly. We have a downtrend. We've seen a pullback here, and the price is giving us a continuation pattern. This is ABC down. This is another pullback. And even though price has been moving higher on the weekly chart, price is only breaking the structure. Okay, this is a lower high here. So you can label that as a structural point. I'm just gonna put W at the back so we know what that is as a weekly structure. Then we go to the daily chart. Look at this. We have a strong pullback on the daily chart. This is still very strong. Look at that. We have a momentum low here followed by a structural pullback. So there's a high, there's a low, there's a high, there's a low, there's a high. So that is a completed wave structure. To the upside, we call that a momentum high, then followed by a structural pullback, which has been broken down. So this low here is a momentum low, a trend changing pattern. And for those that know how we trade this, and I've watched some of my videos, you will understand what I mean by this. Once we have a trend changing pattern in an uptrend, price tends to go back and manipulate the highest point before they can make a move to the downside. And that is what we have seen starting from the January 2025 up to where we are right now. And now let's look at the wave of success tool that we have here, the red dot and the green, the red triangle and the green triangle. These are valid moves, okay? So I can draw the waves like this. That's too big. And this gives us a pullback. That's wave one, followed by a break. And this is going to help us to be able to know what we're going to do next, okay? So we have wave structure one down, followed by a structural point, a lower high, lower structure. This here, because we've only seen one break, okay, you can see there's no pullback. We don't have a red triangle here. So we can still be looking for a short because we are now above a break point, which is a manipulation high. This momentum high, even this structure, we can call this structure a manipulation high because of this move that took place here. So we don't have a clear technical picture. We know what we want to do. If the price did not break this high, then selling is the only option. And this is actually a valid low because we've seen two higher highs here. So I can do this. So we can see that on all the time frames. Then let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay. So on the 4-hour chart, I want to see if we've broken any low. Nothing yet. This is just the first one here after this move. Okay. We are in this consolidation zone. We've seen a lower high and then a break below this price point will be a sell point. 113.71. Let's go to 1 hour chart. So what do we have here? We're looking for a trend. Higher low, lower low. We haven't seen the second lower low, so we're gonna have to be able to. We can't take any trade for now, but we have a well-defined agenda basically. We're not going to take the buy. Anything below this high, buying is forbidden for me. We can go long above there, but our sell point is still valid 113.71. The reason I'm saying that is because if price should break here, that will give us a two lower lows, and that will be confirmed by the daily move that we've seen. Okay, structure down, structure up. That is a reversal. A break below this weekly structure we quickly open up the low here, which is 1.1064. That is what I can see on the euro US dollar. Intraday, let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so this is a complete wave structure, even though it's very chaotic, you can see. So we are in a range basically. Okay, if you want to scalp, we can scalp this thing to the downside. If the price failed to take the 114.48, the scalp is valid. That means we're going to be looking for or anticipating a lower high with this 15 minutes move. And if they break the low, this higher low here, that sell is gonna be valid, but you have to watch out for the lower high that will be made. But we're just talking about something that hasn't happened here. So I like to focus on what has already happened because that we can see. We don't know what is going to happen. So, but if that scenario occur, selling could be an option in the euro US dollar. But for us, the major breakpoint is 13.71. If price should break that area there, then we can sell with confidence because we have this established low, and that will mean a strong break, a technical breakdown, and this high will remain. Okay, but if price should rally and break this high, we don't have to chase it at the high, wait for a pullback. That's where the wave counting come in. Then we can look to buy if they break the high. I hope this has been helpful. My name is Shogun Chat 247. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. God bless.